video. Okay, I'm going to show the basics of wiring on a piece. So because this had a pointy edge, I folded up the bottom so that there's a little bit of a lip, and that lip can go right onto the base. So you've got a little bit more of a sturdy hold. You can see it's right there and it kind of goes around. All right, so that's the first step. Now, if I was smart, I would have cut some wire, but I did not. So I'm going to cut a piece of wire. I'm using different kinds of metal so that you can kind of see it a little better. So I'm going to wrap around as tight as I can the base 3 times, 2 or 3 times, right next to each other. So you see that? So it's wrapped around. You can cut off that end at the end. And then I'm going to take my piece of filigree, and I'm going to put it as close as I can. And then I'm going to wrap, see there's a hole right there. I'm going to go through that hole. Bring this close, and then pull it through. Okay, and do that like 2 times on this side. Just go through that same hole as tight as you can. Okay, and then we're going to repeat that step, except starting from this side and going in. You can cut the piece, just make sure that I usually either try and put it into the front and cut it so that it doesn't hit somebody's head, or I fold it into the actual piece itself. And then if it's not tight enough, what you can do is you can take a pair of pliers, and you can take that piece of wire and then just crimp it to the side. Gosh, I can't do it when I, oops, crimp it to the side, and it'll tighten it up so that it'll be a sturdier piece, just like that. Okay, so now it's crimped right there. And then you just continue doing that. So I'm going to start on this side and work my way in. You can use this piece of wire, or you could do another piece.